Hi Toyota friends, my name is Marta and Toyota of Poway loves to support local businesses. Today we are at Project Nourish. We're so good.
Hi, my name is Christy. I'm actually co-owner of Project Nourish, and I'm from LA and I moved here a year ago to start up Project Nourish just to give community a healthy option for a fast food on-the-go nutritious shake and energizing tea without all the gunk and sugar. And I used to do online coaching, so what better way it is to come to the community and have a store where they can have a shake instead of having like a full program at home.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mukaram. So I actually came to the Poway area not too long ago. I really was searching for a place where you could have a place to invite the community to, have a healthy shake, have a healthy fast food option in general, just on your way to work or if you just want to chill. And this is the main reason why this place started. I went to the Culinary Institute of America where I got all my restaurant management skills. I'm excited to implement it here and see where we can grow.
So what brings people into Project Nourish?
So what brings people into Project Nourish? We serve healthy shakes and they're actually really tasty. They're healthy, they have 24 grams of protein, so it's healthy, made fancy and good. And also the teas, they give you energy, they're clean, so instead of going out for like an energy drink that may not serve your body goals or health goals, you come here, you have a great energizing tea which is clean without all the sugar and all the gunk. So we make the shakes and the teas look really, really good and also taste amazing.
So what's the best way for people to contact Project Nourish?
Alright guys, so the best way to contact us, you can hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. You can even text or call us, we'll definitely pick up the phone. But the best way to do it honestly is just to come in. We'll welcome you with open arms. We'll explain how the menu works, answer any questions you have, and also tell you some of our recommendations, of course.
Thank you for watching. Come and support Project Nourish. Follow their Instagram account as well as their Facebook account for any updates. My name is Marta, Vehicle Acquisition Manager. See you at the heart of San Diego.